Want to create chiptune music? Start by designing a preset in the free Magical 8-bit plug. Then create a simple arpeggio to set the tone. Now bring in the bass. For this you can use the plugin Text. It has that lovely retro sound and many great presets. The melody plays an essential role. You can find a good melody by looping your track and improvising on top of it. Now create a small bridge leading up to the B part of the track. When it comes to the drums, make sure to only play one sample at a time. This will ensure that retro Genesis feel. Bring in some more flavor by making a lead up to a new simple melody line. Now you can simply repeat the first section of the track. This will further establish your melody. And you're pretty much done.